Hi everyone, and welcome to Nursing 791. We are going to be working very closely together through this course. So when we're looking at this course itself, you will be structuring your project based on the evidence that you gain through your literature review and your chosen theories or models. So your chapter 1 was completed in 790, and that's the foundation for the chapter 2 that you will be completing through this course, 791. So one of the first requirements is to meet with me, either virtually or on the phone, however we want to do that, and we'll set together or go through the timeline for the completion of the course. Feel free to contact me by email and let me know when the best time is to set up an appointment. I would prefer probably August the 24th or 25th to do those meetings for this time around, just to keep everything kind of concise on certain days. In the meantime, go to the Start Here section and look at the course materials. Review the course documents. Please pay special attention to the course timeline. You may even want to print out the timeline so you have it for easy reference. You will also find the needed course materials, including the syllabus, the aggregate outcomes, student learning outcomes, rubrics, IRB guidance. All of that's under the Start Here and Course Materials tab, so please pay special attention to that area. And all the completed assignments will be uploaded into the assignments tab. So there is an assignment link for each one of the assignments that are outlined in the timeline. So as a reminder, please be sure that all forms have the required signatures before you upload them in the course and in the portfolio. And in addition, please plan ahead for your advanced scholarly project overview presentation. And again, we're going to try to correlate some of the dates for those of us who share students. And I think there's great value in scheduling those early in the semester, and because you are going to be taking another course throughout this actual 791, so it may be better to try to get this particular course finished up a little bit earlier, and so that you'll have time to focus on 710. So with that being said, you may want to target around November 15th, 16th, somewhere around there, and we can talk about that more when we have our conversation. And I, just so you know, I do look forward to sharing Nursing 791 with you, and this is a really great opportunity to put all of your hard work so far into action, so to speak. So please let me know if I can help you in any way or if you have any questions. Take care now.